Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you are someone who is passionate about data science and artificial intelligence and machine learning, then the job update is just for you. Because Mastercard is one of the world's leading payment technology companies, is hiring data scientists for their Gurgaon, India office. Mastercard powers economies and connect people to more than 200 countries. They are known for making digital payments safe, smart, and simple, and their analytics team plays a key role in that mission. So, if you want to work on projects that impact millions of users globally, keep watching because you will explain the role, skills required, how to apply. I'll just tell you. As a data scientist, you will work with the global acceptance team to build analytic solutions like dashboards, AML board models, and predictive insights that helps Mastercard improve its products and market strategy. You will get to apply advanced data science techniques, handle large data sets, turn complex information into powerful business insight. Qualification for this is B.Tech 2024-25 passed out. To qualify this, we need Python, SQL, or the core tools. You should understand the statistical analysis, NLP, and machine learning models like regression and classification. If you are work with the Tableau, Power BI, cloud platforms like AWS, Azure, and Databricks, then even better. I just give the link in description. Try to apply for the job for the data science Mastercard. The package is around 15 to 30 LPA. So this is the package. If you believe or not, don't believe, there's the package is there. That is the 30 LPA package. Don't miss the chance and apply for the data scientist job for Mastercard. Mastercard is one of the biggest fintech company in the world. So don't miss the chance. Apply this date. It is October 20. So link is there in description. Try to apply for the job.